Hello everyone, so today we are going to check this unboxing and review for this Cosmic Byte CBGK03 mechanical keyboard. I have got it from Amazon and it's about 3000 Indian rupees. And as you can see, the box was well packed. It's a pretty big box. Okay, so inside the box we have the keyboard and it's actually quite heavy. It's about 1 kg. I'm going to keep the box aside. Okay, so we have the brand logo with the model number, which is CBGK03 Black Eye wired mechanical gaming keyboard. It has some Chinese blue switch. It has RGB lighting as well. So here we have the specs of it and the features. It's a 104 keys keyboard with the number pad. Okay, we are going to open it now. Inside the box we have the user manual, and the manual has pretty good information how to operate the keyboard. So if you are buying it, please go through the manual. It has 13 backlight effects with 3 level of brightness. It has 8 multimedia keys. Also it is compatible with iOS and Linux and Windows. Here it talks about the backlight, the weight and the dimension. Here we have a very good feature, backlight recording. I'm going to talk about it a little bit later. Here we have the information about the brand and the warranty. So you will get 1 year of extra warranty if you register the product on their website. And also it has some game specific backlight. I will show you that in the later part of the video. So inside the box we have the palm rest that can be separated. So if you don't like the palm rest, you can actually keep it separate. And the color looks pretty good actually, with the red and black accent. So here we have the keyboard. The keys are made of plastic that is actually high quality, and the body of the keyboard is made of aluminium. It actually feels pretty sturdy. The cable is pretty long and of good quality. It's almost 2 meter long. The USB is actually gold plated, so that is actually good. We have the brand logo here on the keyboard. We have the number pad with the multimedia keys like volume up, down, mute and calculator. On the right we have the brand logo. There is good amount of space between the keys, so you're not gonna make much typos. On the bottom we have the brand logo and the model number. We have some rubber pad for good grip and the stand if you want to adjust the height of the keyboard. I'm going to put the palm rest now. It's pretty simple actually. There are latches, you have to just put them in the latch and it will just fit in place. Okay, that's done now. So it is powered on and it looks really good. The palm rest is kind of fingerprint magnet, so it's gonna leave some fingerprint, but that shouldn't really matter. The backlight is pretty bright. You can adjust the backlight level. You can keep it low, you can keep it high, depending on your requirement. Now I'm gonna talk about the switch. It has some Chinese blue switch. Now how does the switch matter, or what does it mean? I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can check that, and that will give you a better idea about the switch. We are going to check the light now. So mostly you are going to use the function key with the scroll lock to change the lighting effect. It has 13 effect, and when you have a single color, you can change that color using the function and the home, and you can choose from 7 colors. There are some nice feature about the function key. You can press the function key with the Windows icon key. It will disable the Windows key. So if you are gaming and if you press the Windows key by mistake, it's not gonna interrupt your game. Also, you can switch the WASD to the arrow keys. Now this mode is the best mode according to me. As you can see, now you can actually increase the brightness by holding down the function with the up arrow, and for decreasing it you have to hold down the down arrow. And if you want to increase the level, how fast it's gonna change color or how slow, you can do it from the function and the right arrow or the left arrow. There are a lot of mechanical keyboard in the market. However, this one is giving you a lot of feature for very less price, only 3000. Also, you're getting those dedicated multimedia keys for volume up, down, mute and the calculator. Now if you want to go for any good brands like Corsair or anything else like Razer, it will cost you at least 7 to 10,000. We are going to check the backlight recording feature. You have to press the function with the delete once, and you do it one more time and the lights will blink on the top right, and then you can customize any keys you want and you can save them accordingly. Now once we are done selecting, you have to press the function and the delete again, and it will keep it in the memory. So you can make your custom keys. There are 2 options for that, one with function and delete and one with function end. It's the same feature. You press the function with the end and the light starts blinking on the top right, and then you select the keys accordingly, and then you press the function and the end again, and it will keep it in the memory. So the next time when you press the function and delete or function and end, it will only light up those keys. It also has some preset for some particular games like FPS. You have to press function with the number 1. It will only light up the FPS keys. Then again you have FN and number 2, FN number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can check all that. This is a pretty cool feature they have given for this price. I have been using it for the last 2 weeks. I am really happy with the quality and the functions. Also the multimedia keys, the icon, they also light up, but for other brands they don't actually. Now since it's a blue switch mechanical keyboard, the typing is quite loud, as you can hear. So I have been using this Microsoft Basic keyboard for the last 10 years. So for me it's really a big upgrade. As you can see, it's a PS2 keyboard. So that's it for today, guys. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.